The thing I noticed about you, even though you got a lot of, even though you work with a lot of major artists, one thing I really like is you seem to work with a lot of independent artists, you know, particularly a lot of people from your city. Yeah, I just feel like you're always trying to build.
I can't leave these niggas alone for some reason, man.
Nah, you got a sound out there. I really love that. I really love that. What'd you say?
Nah, I was about to say, like, these the niggas that got me there, so I can't jump ship on them just because I'm fucking with the industry. But now it's to the point where I feel like I could do more industry stuff because it's a lot of young, up-and-coming producers that, you know, they can hold it down now. Like, when I first started, there wasn't nobody else, you know what I'm saying? But we got some cats that can hold it down now.
Yo, how did you get into music in the first place? Like, do you come from a background of music?
Oh yeah, as soon as I finish with this little interview. I come from like a musical family. So like my grandfather was a singer. My uncle was a guitar player. My father was a keyboard player. My other uncle was a drummer. So my father's side of the family was all into music. So it was just kind of natural for me to pick it up. I wanted to play guitar at first, but my uncle told me my fingers was too little. So I figured I'd learn how to play that piano better than he could play that guitar.
Right. What did you?
To this day, though, he denied saying that shit, though. Kids don't forget nothing. You feel me?
Oh no, yeah. You'll be surprised. A lot of people don't notice, but you'll be surprised some of the things your teachers or family members could say to even get you to a certain place. You know, kids hold on to a lot of shit. You get what I mean? Like, I definitely understand. I just feel like even with me, just trying to work as a producer, just trying to make it, I just remember certain things my family members and friends said. So I
once you do it though, they always believed in you and all that.
Yeah,
you know
they come back around.
Big supporters.
Yeah. So what was, because I already been knowing about you, and you know I've been hearing your tag for a long time. What was the, I guess specifically, what was the song that really got your name just buzzing that you produced?
In Detroit, it probably was Take Money to Make Money, a song by this cat named Stretch Money.
Okay, so you started building up locally. That kind of got you just locally hot in Detroit as far as with people seeing you about production.
Yeah, but as far as like all over, it definitely was First Day Out.
Okay, because I was hearing you on a lot of joints, even with Rocco. There was a lot of stuff I was hearing you on. So I know First Day Out was definitely the big mainstream, but I definitely have a few of my favorites just way before that. Well, I just like, yo, this nigga is super talented. Man,
I appreciate that.
Bro, what the fuck was going through your mind when you made that First Day Out though? That shit, I feel, you know what I mean? Just the dynamics of it. That shit's wild, bro.
When T came to me and he rapped it to me, he had did like 3 years in jail, so he was used to rapping in jail and, you know, having an audience of dudes that's in jail, like listening and captivating their minds and telling the whole story. So he was already a master of that. So when I heard it, I just felt like I had to make a beat that complemented the song itself. It's a big switch up, like when he rapped it, like he just turned up all of a sudden. So I felt like let's do Dreams and Nightmares, but do it like Detroit style.
Yeah,
let's do it up tempo. The first part of the beat, the slow dramatic part, like that's like my repertoire right there. I could make a beat tell a story. So when it turned up and he started getting hyped, I probably made that part of the beat in 5 minutes.
Right. But you know that when you know that first part, I was like, this nigga need to do some movies. This nigga need. When I heard that first part, I was like, all right, this nigga need to. I could hear this nigga producing on some big fucking scores. You know what I mean? Because you know,
I want to do though. I want to do some movies.
Right. I mean, I got some. I'm gonna link up with you after we do this. I definitely got some stuff I'm working on here in LA. I'd definitely love for you to be a part of it. You know what I mean? So
let's do it, man.
that movie money is way different, and I'm pretty sure you know that.
You like the only industry producer that really mess with me for real.
What you mean? How?
They don't be messing with me for real. I don't feel like it.
I just feel like talent is talent.
But I feel like the game gonna come back to the point where everybody have to, where real music and a real musician gonna come back, and them little overnight producers, they're gonna be fucked up.
Well, I think it's already like that anyway, because the average producer only lasts for a year because they don't have the talent of playing keys or know how to switch. You know what I'm saying? Like, I already feel like that without even dropping any names. Do you feel, let me ask you this, just when you first started making beats, what software did you start off on?
Well, I tried Reasons, and then I tried Logic, but then once I tried FL, I fell in love with FL.
Right.
Because like FL, to me, by me using hardware, like people always talk bad about FL and the quality of it, but what I learned from using FL is it's what you make it. If you're a cold ass producer and you know how to play keys, it's gonna sound like that on FL.
Right.
If you're a overnight producer that's just slapping together some beats, it's gonna sound like that.
Right. So
it's all about the producer and how you use it.
Do you I know when I use FL, a lot of times I export it in Pro Tools for the mix. Do you mix in FL too and just render it out like that?
I mix it as good as I can mix it in FL.
Mm-hmm.
You there?
Yeah, I mean, you can hear me?
As good as I can get it in FL, but when it comes to that real mix, I put it in Pro Tools and then put that real sauce on it. It's still a difference, you know what I'm saying?
No, it is. It is.
A lot of people doing like industry records on 2 tracks, but when you do that track out, it's a difference. It's a bigger sound. It's better.
Yeah, it's crazy that it's crazy. It's gotten to the point where the 2-track thing. Like at one point in time, people wouldn't accept that. Like you had to have that shit mixed. What's your top 3 VSTs? What would be your top go-to 3 VSTs?
If I only had one VST that I could use, if that's it, and I'm stuck and I gotta make some beats and just one. If I had just one, I'll probably roll with Nexus. That's if I'm stuck.
Oh no, I thought you were gonna say Atmosphere. Alright, you said
Atmosphere is too hard to find some sounds. They got the best and the biggest sounds. But let's say you stuck and you got a time limit and you gotta come up with some heat. You gonna get your ass kicked.
If I'm in front of a bunch of artists, because you know how that cook up shit is in front of artists, I gotta go to Nexus because I gotta know what the fuck I'm clicking on. You know what I mean? Because people don't got patience like that. And so I feel you on Atmosphere. You gotta just lay some melodies down and just keep playing the melodies through clicking through different sounds. And really,
you definitely gonna find some heat, but it's gonna take a minute.
It's gonna take a minute, and then sometimes you just don't want a sound that's that big. You know what I'm saying? Like sometimes Nexus shit damn near mastered to a point of it's so thick. You know what I mean? Sometimes you don't want something just that big and thick sounding. You know what I mean? So I feel you.
But I like to mix it up. I fuck with Purity too a lot.
Oh yeah, I never really I got it, but it's, you know what, Purity is kind of like Nexus with, you don't gotta go through a bunch of sounds. They kind of got it all laid out for you, right?
Purity got them nice little gritty ghetto little Detroit sounds. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So them would probably be the top 3. But the best, the biggest music that I've done probably is on what's the other one? I can't think of the name of it.
It's one that's been out for a while?
Yeah, the big one.
I don't know. I mean, you got Nexus, we got Atmosphere, you got I don't know, because it's a couple of them is it one that everybody uses?
The one that you gotta load like different ones into.
Contact?
Yeah, Contact.
All right, I had to open up FL to figure out what you was.
Now listen, when you want an orchestra and some live instruments,
right,
you gotta go with Contact.
You're right.
Contact gonna make it sound like a band is right there in your face.
Oh nah, yeah, Contact. That Alicia Keys piano and all that stuff they got. The
Alicia Keys piano is the one I used on First Day Out.
When you first came out, did you always have a tag? Like I guess speaking on just the
Nah, I didn't at first. But
what made you switch it up?
Well, I had got a beat to Jeezy and I ain't had no tag on there. I was like, no, I'm putting the tag on everything. Everything.
Right. Now I feel
I did that. I did that Black Dreams. A lot of people don't know I did that. My advice to the producers would be to don't be scared to do something different, man. Because what's different is what's gonna set you apart. If you're doing what everybody else doing, by the time it get on, it's gonna be something else out there. So what's gonna stand out and set you apart is something that's different. That's what's gonna get you in the rooms with the hottest rappers, because they're gonna be looking for the new sound.
Oh, now you're right.
Look for the new sound.
Always look for the new sound, which is easy, because everybody doing the same thing right now. So you'll definitely stand out. Hey, bro, I really appreciate this quick convo, man. I'm gonna hit you up a little after this just to talk to you about that movie shit or whatever and connect with you. But hey, bro, thanks for coming on here. I really appreciate it.
Man.
Oh hell yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna hit you up.
You're my bro, man. I fuck with you.